guys, this is the place I come daily for trekking and cycling. It's almost 10 kilometers from my house, and it's such a nice place to come and chill, and that will help your mental health as well as the inner health. Be fit and try to find some of this kind of place and come hiking, trekking, and keep the surroundings clean. So let's get into the vlog. So there are so many butterflies around. It's so nice. It feels so nice coming here. And today is a very sunny day. It's more good. Let's see how it goes. We'll do some trekking. I'll show you the place out there. Keep your cycle locked. There's a steep mount, steep way. In this way actually there'll be water flow and there is a lot of rain, so in rainy it will be very nice just to come here. See the sunrise, so nice out here. Whenever I'm hiking or walking around, I sit and watch these tiny, tiny world of flowers, ants, and the drops of these rainwater. It's it's a very different experience altogether. Hey guys, so this is the end of the vlog. So this is the place where I come for trekking, and it's so serene and peaceful here. So hope you guys liked the video, and if it did, as always, like and subscribe.